Okay, so this is the issue I'm running into. Let me put my packet loss on 500 equals 500. So you can see I'm getting a lot of corrections, and it's pretty annoying. I don't know why. Like my jump is networked, and it's getting like mad corrections. And let's not even think about the wall run. It like forces me back to the ground because it doesn't realize where I am, I guess. And I don't know. I need more information on how to debug this shit so I can figure out what I'm doing wrong, because I'm following the tutorials pretty closely and trying to convert what they're doing in their tutorials to my own um, project. But I'm just running into a lot of bugs that honestly I just don't know how to fix, because this is something very new to me. But yeah, that's it.